Hey guys, so here I am back in the garage. I should say 110-degree garage. It gets so hot in here during the summer. And I know that some of you are interested in, improving your shop. And I just wanted to give you a quick update. I finally added 4 more drawers to my workbench. And I think it turned out pretty good. I actually had these small pieces of wood and I cut them to size and I made this little, it's kind of permanent, it's a divider, and it's all glued in, so it's there to stay. But I've been repurposing a lot of these little plastic bins, and I'm telling you, I'm so happy the way this thing has turned out, and it works really smooth, really well. The only thing is this bottom drawer. I kind of made a mistake when I was installing the slides, and it rubs a little bit. I was trying to keep it as low as possible, so that was my mistake, but it's not a big deal. And for the most part, this project, I think it's done. I was going to build an additional banks of drawers down here for the bottom. I'm kind of leaning against that because it is expensive and time consuming, and I'm not the best woodworker when it comes to making furniture like stuff. So for the time being, I have some organizers down here, and these are actually semi-permanent, unless of course I take them apart, but that should do for now. Oh, and latest purchase has been this power strip, and I just mounted it right here. That has been my job of late, to keep this workbench clean, because otherwise it's too messy. But let me tell you, this power strip, it's been great. And I even kind of had to route the cord, as you can see back here, just to keep it neat and organized. But it is so convenient to have a charger or any hand tools, and have the ability rather to plug them right here. So it is pretty cool. And a friend of mine gave me this little portable and rechargeable fan, which actually, it's like a telescope here. You can extend it so you can really use it in different positions if needed. Works right here on the bench, but if I need to work on inside the car, I can just place it out there, raise it to the right height, and have a little bit of hot air circulating, I guess. But I love it because, again, it's all a USB wire or connector, and then you just charge it, and even a little breeze is so helpful. So this has been a great little thing to have. So anyway, that's my garage update for now, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.